Why having a consultation call with someone who is really knowledgeable with real estate investment is a must, most especially in the Philippines. Alam ko, nasanay tayo, no, kapag may nag-offer sa ating property, bilhin mo na to, murang-mura lang, 10,000 pesos lang yung reservation, malalaking mo na agad yung price, no? Pero ang inaiwasan talaga natin is yung tinatawag na hard selling or pressure selling, because this is the type of investment na talagang dapat maging knowledgeable tayo in other side or area, no? Hindi lang when it comes to the technical side of the property, no? Ilang square meter yan, pero dapat mag-guide din yung mga clients when it comes to finances. Ito ba dapat yung best fit property, no? Lalong-lalo na yung mga clients natin who are living abroad at gustong invest, no, for their retirement or for their rental income purposes sa future. Kaya ako, I am offering a free consultation call sa mga